Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is Thursday, June 4th. Yeah, let's go over my trades and let's see what we got today. Man, my voice is kind of dry today. Get some water. But as you can see, today I was up 191. Today was a good day. Not bad. Lately, my profits are getting bigger and sustaining around, 150, 160. But my usually daily goal for right now is 150 bucks to 70, 100 in that range. One second, I'm gonna get some water. Yeah. So yeah, not a bad day. Stuck to my plan. Um, yeah. So let's go ahead and go through. So every morning I come to my desk and I pull up my gap scanner. Right now this is the current time, right? So let's go ahead and move this back. Move this back to pre-market. So let's go back in time and let's change this to 6:15 a.m. and let's see what we got. All right, so around 6:15 a.m. you can see today market was hot. I mean, we have gappers that are up 174%, 152, 123. I mean, 100+% the first 4 or 5 stocks. So let's check it out, right? CIDM. Let's see. Actually, let's go down the stocks that I traded here first, right? So let's go here. So first, I traded NIO. NIO, I was looking for a red to green move, which actually happened, right? I actually got in for the red to green move, but at 6, I got in, right? And if we pull up NIO, it opened up at 601. So I got in for a red to green move at 6 and it touched at 610. To me, it seemed like it was going to break 610, so that's why I didn't take profits, but that was my own mistake. I should have took profit. I didn't, right? So, and then I ended up selling it at 598, right? Pretty much, coming down, almost breaking even, but with 2 cents of slippage. So, starting the day with 20 bucks loss. That's okay. I can recover that. And then CIDM, I got in, right? So let's pull up CIDM. Oh, by the way, this was the entry around this area right here. So now if we pull up CIDM, and let's see where I got in CIDM, I got in at 432, right? So 432. So it opened up at 438, right? So at 432, I got in, and then I got out some at 430, and then it took off from there, and then bought some at 440, and then sold some at 447, 442. So let me show you the entry. So I got in at 432, which was around this area right here, anticipating for the move of red to green move. So I sold some because I saw it dip here a little bit. I should have kept it because obviously it was holding the 9 EMA. And then it took off and I added more for the break of, let's see, I added more for the break of 440, which was this area right here, right? 440, which was pretty much near the opening price, right? Because the opening price, we saw that it's 438. So I added more, and then I sold some on the rip up. Obviously took off, right? I should have kept it. So, but then again, for every stock that goes up this high, some stocks that come up here and just sell off. Look what happened afterwards, right? So you got to stick to your plan. Plan your trade and trade your plan. Stick to that. And then we got DLPN. So let's pull up DLPN. Let's see what we got. DLPN, I got in at 214 and then sold some at 215 and then sold at 212. It didn't work out the first time, and then I got in again at 218, sold some at 225, sold some at 239, right? So DLPN, I was looking for it opened up at 189, right? So my initial entry was at 214. So let's see what was happening at 214, which was around this area. So this was the inflection point I was looking for, right? For the break of 218, but I got in a little bit early at 214. So the first time around, I got in and sold some, but then added again at 218. So it was the first right idea, wrong timing, but eventually, on this candle, that's where I got in again, right? As you can see, 218, I bought some, sold some at 225, sold the remaining 25% at 239, right? So made some money. And then I got in Neo again. Neo, let's pull that up. Neo, I got in at 587, which was around this area right here. This part right here. I was getting for the break of 588 because I see there was a lot of resistance. Same thing over here. So to me, that was the inflection point. So I got in at 587, anticipating the move for 588. Sold some at 593. Sold the remaining at 588. And then VISL. This was a crazy one today. I mean, I missed most of the move, but which happened later on. But let's see. VISL, I got in at 89 cents, which was around this area right here for the break of this inflection point. And then it sold some at 93, which was around this area right here. So ripping up over here. And then sold some at 96 cents as well. And then I got in LK, right? LK is the one I lost money on, but right idea, just wrong timing. Look at this stock, right? Right idea, just wrong timing. And if we see where I got in, which was 299, which was around this area right here. Let's see. Yeah, around this area right here. So I got in and it failed, but then eventually came back up and took off from there. So again, this is going to happen, right? A lot of times, you know, right idea, just wrong timing, and you're going to see this happen, right? I mean, I got in at 298. Look where the stock is right now, 436. So, you know, you just have to let these moments go because they're part of the game. They're part of the process. They're part of trading. You're not going to catch every move at the exact time. You're never going to catch 100% of the move, you know. So that's why just stick to your plan. Get out and cut your losses if it's not working out. So subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos if you're enjoying these videos. If you're learning, leave some comments so that way I can find out if you're learning something or if you want me to make videos on certain topics. And also go on my Twitter channel. That's where I post my watch list. So I can show you that real quick. Going on Twitter right now, and I posted a watch list today. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow.